Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are discussing about sequence and series. This is video 2. We are in arithmetic progressions and sum to n terms. These concepts related questions only we are doing now. Okay dear students, let us have a discussion. The first question in this, let TR be the odd term of an arithmetic progression for r equal to 1, 2, 3. For some positive integers m and n, we have Tm equal to 1 by n and Tn equal to 1 by n. Then the value of Tmn. So, mth term of AP is given. Nth term of AP is given. They are asking to find mnth term of AP. See, first we have to use the terms Tm is equal to, what is the formula for nth term of the AP? A plus n minus 1. So A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to how much it is given? N. Just cross multiply and simplify. An plus nd into m minus 1 is equal to 1. Keep it as equation number 1. Even more simplify. An plus nmd minus nd is equal to 1. Now, Tn, nth term of AP, A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 1 by m. That implies, same cross multiply, an plus md into n minus 1 into 1. That implies that an plus nmd minus md equal to 1, equation number 2. We are simplifying equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 implies that an minus am, a take common, n minus m, plus here these two will be cancelled only, minus nmd, minus nmd. Next from here, minus nb plus md means d taking common, m minus n equal to 1 minus 1 also 0. We are subtracting. Direct step, dear students. So that implies that a into n minus m is equal to minus d into m minus n. We are bringing this side. After that, m is not equal to n. So a into n minus m equal to d into n minus m only, no? N minus n get cancelled. Otherwise, n minus m bring that side. N minus m in anyway is not equal to 0. Why? Because m and n different terms. How it will be equal here? So that is the reason a is equal to d will come. So either a value or d value, how it comes is a equal to d, substitute in equation 1. Substitute in 1, we get an plus na into m minus 1 equal to 1, an plus mna minus an equal to 1. These two will be cancelled. So a equal to 1 by mn. A value and d value is also equal, dear students. After that, Tmn they are asking. Tmn equal to a plus mn minus 1 into d. Anyway, d and a both will be equal only, no? So a I am taking common. You can write like this. A plus m minus 1 into a, since a is equal to d. So a take common. 1 plus m and minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. A value is what? 1 by mn into mn. So these two will be cancelled, which is equal to 1. Therefore, Tmn value equal to 1. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. This is the way. Now if we come to here, if am denotes the nth term of AP, then am is equal to am denotes. Here the question is involving See here, A1, A2, A3 and so on. M minus 1 can I write like this? After that mth term will be there, no? After that m plus 1 is there and so on. So arithmetic progression means what? Common difference is equal only, no? So what I am taking is am minus am minus 1 is equal to am plus 1 minus am. Minus am bring this side, minus value this bring this side. So am plus am is equal to am plus 1 plus am minus 1. So 2am is equal to am plus 1 plus am minus 1. So am equal to am plus 1 plus am minus 1 divided by 2. Similarly, in general, for kth term we are going to write accordingly. am we can write it as am plus kth term plus am minus kth term by 2. Am I right, dear students? This is the way also we can write it. So am equal to am plus k plus am minus k divided by 2. It is there in the third option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to another set of questions. Yeah, I'll come back. Okay, dear students, I'm going to drop this. We'll move to another question. If p times of pth term of an AP is equal to qth term of q times of qth term, q times of qth term of an AP, then p plus qth term is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. So another question here. If nth term of two APs are 3n plus 8 and 7n plus 15, then the ratio of the 12th term, will be, the first option 4 by 9, 7 by 16, 3 by 7, 8 by 15. See how we are going to do that. So this will help for polytechnic entrance exam as well any competitive exam related to mathematics we can use. So here if p times of the p term, that means p times of p term, q times of qth term, that implies that p into, what is the pth term? A plus p minus 1 into d only, no? Is equal to q times of qth term, a plus q minus 1 into d. That implies ap plus p into p minus 1 into d is equal to aq plus q into q minus 1 into d. We'll bring this side all, ap plus d into p minus 1 minus q into q minus 1 is over minus aq equal to 0. Now from these two, a into p minus q plus d into, this one will bring as p square minus p minus q square plus q is equal to 0. So a into p minus q plus d into, this we can write it as p minus q into p plus q from these two. Okay. Next minus I am taking common, p minus q will write it. Again from these two, p minus q we are bringing out a plus d into p plus q minus 1. Am I right, dear students? Equal to 0. Anyway, this value not equal to 0. Why? Because p term is separate, q term is separate. P minus q is not equal to 0. Then a plus d into p plus q minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. After that, what they are asking to find, is it equal to p q term or not? p plus q term equal to a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. Is it equal to a plus d into p plus q minus 1 only? What is the value? We got it as 0. We got it. So the answer is TPQ plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if we come to here, if nth term of APs are 3n plus 8 and 7n plus 15. The ratios. First, two APs here we are writing. First AP, arithmetic progression. Second AP. So first AP, nth term is given, Tn equal to 3n plus 8. Tn means generally a plus n minus 1 into d only. We will bring into this form. 3n plus 8 minus 3 plus 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Plus n minus 1 into 3. So compare with Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So for the first term, for the first AP, a equal to 11 and the common difference is 3. Now come to the second AP series of nth term is 7n plus 15. That also bring as 7n plus 15 minus 7 plus 7. I already said the logic in this last week. So 15 plus 7 is 22 plus n minus 1 into 7. Again this we have to compare with a plus n minus 1 into d. So a equal to 22 and d equal to 7 is this. After that, they are asking to find the ratio of 12th term. So T12 in this and in this also T12. Here you taken as a T dash, second one. No? A plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to what? 12. A is equal to 11 plus 12 minus 1 is 11, d is 3. So which is equal to 33 plus 11 is 44. This is T12 in the first AP. T dash 12 equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. N is equal to what here, dear students? Here also 12. A is what in this? 22 plus 11d. D value is 77. 22 plus 11 into 7, that is equal to 77, 99 will come. Okay. So therefore, T12 divided by T dash 12 equal to 44 by 99. 11 fours, 11 nines. So 4 by 9, we can write it as the ratio 4 is to 9. So 4 by 9 is there in the first option. We will move to another set of questions. We have to go, dear students. Okay, we'll move to other questions. The next question, if the sixth term of AP, if the sixth term of AP is 2, then the value of common difference of an AP which makes the product A1, A4, A1, A4, A5 least is given by, so options are provided 8 by 5, 5 by 4, 2 by 3, 1 by 2. And the last question in this session, it will take time to explain to students, 10 minutes it will be. If mth term of the series 63 plus 65 plus 67 plus 69 plus and so on, and 3 plus second series 10 plus 17 plus 24 plus and so on is equal, then m value equal to, so options 15, 11, 13, 12. I hope everyone understands your students. We'll move to another question now. See, first, if the sixth term of AP is 2 is given, no? So sixth term T6 is equal to 2. That implies that 2 equal to A plus 5D. Sixth term means. From that A value make it a subject. So 2 minus 5D is equal to A. Then the value of common difference of an AP, which makes the product A1, A4 and A5 is least. This is not only related to sequence and series but also maximum in your dear students. So what we have to do is, we can find A1, A4, A5. A1 equal to the first term, A1 means A. Similarly, A4 means A plus 3D. So that is equal to A value, we got it now, 2 minus 5D plus 3D. That is equal to 2 minus 2D. So 2 take common, 1 minus D. Okay, dear students, this A means what? 2 minus 5D. Next, A5, that is equal to A plus 4D. 2 minus 5D plus 4D, that is equal to 2 minus D. The product of A1, A4, A5. So the product A1 into A4 into A5, which is equal to A1 value is what? 2 minus 5D into A4 value 1 minus D into 2 into 2 minus D. So 2 into 2 minus 5D. So now we are multiplying these two. 2 minus D minus 2D plus D square. So 2, 4 minus 10D into D square minus 3D plus 2. So first multiplying 4D square minus 12D plus 8 minus 10D cube plus 30d square minus 20d. 30d square plus 4d square, 34d square minus 12d minus 10 cube is also there, dear students. Minus 10d cube plus 34d square. Next, minus 32d plus 8. So all are multiples of 2 only. No? So 2 take common. 5d cube plus 17d square minus 32d, not 32, 16d plus 4. This is the product. So P in terms of D is there, means you have to differentiate with respect to D. Differentiate with respect to D. So dP by dt is equal to 2 constant. So 15d square plus 34d minus 16. Okay. Now again differentiate with respect to d. So d square p by dd square 2 into 30d plus 34. We'll see that what happens. For maximum or minimum, for least value of P product, dP by dd is equal to 0. That means differentiation with respect to dd. The 2 also bring outside, that is will come 2 times of 15d square plus 34d minus 16 equal to 0. So factorization, we need to do that. 16 into 15, 15 plus 24, 240. 240 means 24 into 10. So 15d square, both but it is not sufficient, minus I want to get it now. So factorization 240 we can do like this, right? 380 is next, 240 is 220 is 2 tens, 2 fives, 5 is a 15, from 34 I want to get it. So 10, 8 into 3, 24, both. I'm very sorry, dear students. This is minus 10d cube. I am very sorry. Minus 10d cube plus 34d square minus 32d plus 8. So minus will come here. I want to. So minus divides plus is 0. So what comes here? Minus 15d square plus 20. Previously what I wrote, that is enough, dear students. 10, 24 plus 10d plus 24d minus 16 equal to 0. So from these two, 5d if you take out common, minus 3d plus 2 plus here also 8 if you take common, so minus 8 bring outside, minus 8 minus 3d plus 2. So from these two again, 5d minus 8 into minus 3d plus 2 equal to 0. So 5d equal to 8 minus 3d plus 2 equal to 0. So d equal to 8 by 5 and d equal to 2 by 3. Am I right, dear students? But both options are there. But among these, which one is the right one? So when d is equal to 2 by 3, the second derivative value d square p by dd square equal to 2 into minus 30 into 2 by 3 plus 34, 3 ones, 3 tens. 2 into minus 20 plus 14, so So 2 into minus 6. Okay, sorry, not 34. 34 means 14, 34 means 15, 14 will come 28 is greater than 4. Whenever second derivative at d is equal to 2 by 3 is greater than 0, so p is least. That's what they are asking here. Product is least. P means what? Product I have taken. So P is least when D is equal to 2 by 3. So at D is equal to 8 by 5, obviously it comes less than 0, it is called maximum. So our required answer is 2 by 3 over the students. These are called conceptual questions. Please concentrate these type of questions. I think in 2023-24 also we got this type of problem. We already kept in the channel once you go through the previous years. Now come to here, if nth term of the series, the first AP, 63 plus 65 plus 67 plus 69 plus and so on. First term A equal to 63 and D is equal to 2, common difference, 65 minus 63. So nth term, Tm equal to A plus M minus 1 into D. Second AP. What is second AP? 3 plus 10 plus 17 plus 24 plus and so on. A equal to 3 and D equal to 7. 10 minus 3. 17 minus 10. So Tm equal to in this also 3 plus M minus 1 into D. According to the question, both are equal. So therefore, first Tm is equal to second Tm. That implies that 63 plus m minus 1 into 2 equal to 3 plus m minus 1 into 7. So that implies 63 plus 2m minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7m minus 7. So 61 plus 2m equal to minus 4 plus 7m. 65 equal to 5m, m is equal to 65 divided by 5. That implies m is equal to 13. 5 ones, 5 13s. So m value is 13. It is there in the third option, dear students. I hope everyone understand. Those who are watching our channel Maths with Panindra, a number of videos of IP Intermediate Public Exam, Maths 2A, Maths 2B, Maths 1A, Maths 1B. Number of videos are available. Please go through. And in the post, in community tab also, I kept previous years Maths 2A, Maths 2B, Maths 1B videos also kept. Once you go through the channel and see the playlist, you will get a number of videos which are required. If you are really like this video, please share to your friends. Thank you all dear students. Jai Hind. Maths with Panindra.